All right, y'all. Monique from Sugar Mama was kind enough to send me her latest collection. It's called the Love Letters collection. And I wanted to show it to you all and give y'all the whole vibe of it. Now, it is 7 fragrances and they are different levels of love. And there's love letters involved with them. Now, the thing about Monique when she does these collections, and this is a limited edition collection, is that she does like something more for them. And with these, she sends you a card with information about that love letter and the love letter that is associated with it. So whenever she does these, it's not just the fragrances, it's an experience. Like she has a story for each fragrance. Like she had one before where she sent out it was a fall one and there were a lot of gourmands in it, and she sent out recipes to go with each of the fragrances. So her limited editions are truly an experience besides just the fragrances. So this is the Love Letters collection, and they're each about different types of love. So I'm going to try to give you all the different levels of love based on how she has it. Okay, so the first one is In Need of Love, and it's called Rose Scented Paper. Now this one is got rose petals, papyrus, white musk, of course, iris powder, heliotrope. This is a soft rose. It feels like rose paper. If you have ever had rose paper, that's what it feels like. It has a papery vibe to it. It has this softness, this powderiness to it. It is beautiful. Let me tell you how beautiful it is. Since she sent this to me, I placed my own order and I picked up the body oil in it and the hair perfume in it. So this, because I wanted to have more of the collection. So this is In Need of Love, Rose Scented Paper. All right, next up is Unacquainted Love, and this is called The Chick Next Door. And this is a sexy plum rose. I love a dark, juicy, plummy rose, and this is exactly what it is. And as it dries down, it has some vanilla in it to keep the sweetness. So that if you are looking for a sexy, dark, plum rose, this is a good one. All right, next up is First Love, and it's called Smitten. Now, the notes are pink grapefruit, juicy peach, spun sugar, cotton candy, buttery popcorn, whipped cream, vanilla bean, sandalwood, and musk. Now, let me be honest with you. The notes themselves would be a big turnoff for me because I don't like super sweet fragrances like this. And no, but this is well done. The cotton candy gives it an airiness. So this is a sweet, airy fragrance. So if you're a gourmand lover, you will love this. It's giving you sweetness. It's giving candy like. It's giving vanilla. It's giving you, and then it has that peachiness to it. So this is really for the gourmand lover. So this is a gourmand for the gourmand lover. Next up is True Love. Now this is a floral amber. This is an ambery floral with the little bergamot in it to give it a little juicy citrusy vibe. This is a sexy floral. So if you're looking for a sexy floral, it has rose in it, it has jasmine, it has tuberose. It's giving you this, very sexy date night vibe. So this is True Love. Next up is Intense Love, called Hooked. This one right here, yes. I'm trying to decide do I need anything extra from this? Like, do I want the body butter? Do I want to do a hair perfume? But this right here, this is spicy and sexy. This is tobacco and honey and iris with amber, incense, spices, sandalwood, and musk, and a little rose. Y'all, this is that sexy, just a sexy, spicy, smoky vibe. Yes, this is perfect right now. This is a perfect transition where it's not too hot, it's not too cold. You could wear this in the cold, but it's definitely giving right now. Going date night, this is late night date night though. This ain't brunch. This ain't dates. This is late night little black dress. Hey daddy, date nights. Hey mama. You know what I'm saying? And the last one is Lost Love Sweet and Petty. Now this is blackberries and meringue with some vanilla. It has also a little lemon for some tartness to it. This I can actually wear. Like the other one was a little too sweet, a little too candy like, a little too heavy for me. This one is the one that I can wear because this is a fruity, light, sweet vanillic with that lemon to give it a little tartness to make it, to balance out all that sweet from the meringue, the vanilla, the blackberries. So I really like this one too. I don't know if I want to amp this up and get other pieces to it, but this would be definitely a date night. I know she's saying it's lost love, but this feels like a day date. This feels like very flirtatious. This is a very flirtatious vibe. This is a very, hey, what you wearing? Because it will definitely draw some into you. So like if you're trying to get somebody to notice you and you want them to like come towards you, this is a good fragrance for that, because that sweet tartness will draw them in like, hey, what you wearing? You smell good. All right, so that is her Love Letters collection. Remember, this is a limited edition, and once it's gone, it's gone. So if you are interested in them, go ahead and get them and use my discount code so you can get 10% off. I don't get anything for it. It just gives you a little boost up on a very affordable fragrance. All right, talk to you later. Have a great day.